Hello friends, welcome to the Animals Cutest. In this video, I am telling you how to download a Budgie game on an Android device. First, go to Google Play app and type Budgie. And you can see it up down Budgie bird. Just download it, I have already downloaded it. Open the app, start the game. Collect the all coins. This game in this game you have to protect you from this cat spikes, and you have to collect all the coins. It's a very interesting game. Just I'm out. Sorry for the ads. I'm just trying again. Again I'm out. Rip Jackie. Score 1, best score 11. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel Animal Cutest.